Beeman Kodiak X2. Shoot through this 1-inch pine board and it falls. Look. Alright, this is the Beeman Kodiak X2. About to fire through a little 1-inch pine board down here. That's the top dot. So, Mr. Patton, if you please. Like I said, we need to zoom it on, splat. Alright, here we are with the Hudson Striker iron sights. It does sound like it had a little more authority. Now the box on the Kodiak Beeman said that it's 830 with the 22 and 1,000 feet per second with the 17 caliber. I'm not so sure that it's because the Hudson only says 800. I don't know. Maybe. It might have those 30 extra, because look, turn it around, Mr. Patton. A little bit different, but what you'll think though is this is going a little faster at that short distance, that it's not having that kinetic punch like 45 you know, if you want to get into that. Alright, our next test, we're gonna see how far we'll go through 2 of them. So, flip it back up for the Beeman. I'll take the boards. Gotta excuse the camera, folks. We're using a phone for the clips here. You can't just take the computer and start running around with it. Alright. As Mr. Patton loads. You'll notice this is the first video Mr. Patton has not used his 3M's shades. Fire one ready. Up. He fucked. He fucked up. Okay.
Didn't even go through the bird.
Fire again. We don't know.
No, it didn't.
Alright, let's try. Let's do it again. This is the Beeman, y'all. So what I'm thinking is, and this one is made in China, and my dad said he paid, it was on clearance for $100, so they're pretty much evenly matched on the price. Here we go again. Alright.
Doesn't feel like it has enough punch to it.
Alright. Did not go through 2. Did go in
1.
Tried to go through but since, and there's the indentation. Yep. Alright, let's go to the Hudson. You'll take care of the weapons while I move around these targets. The Hudson. Alright, there's our first hole. Everybody remember that. And no, we're not shooting any great distance right this second, but we may cut to another clip before the video's over and go ahead and shoot at our 60-yard target. Right, zoom in, fire one ready. Little quick shot, dead center, Mr. Patton with the quick draw. And no, we did not expect it to go through the second, but it does.
Oh, never mind, I lied. It's pretty fucking.
I believe that the Turkish make a superior weapon system to the Chinese communists. And hold it up.
Another shot just for good connection.
Yeah, let's not waste folks' time. Let's go ahead and get to set up our 60-yard target, and let's see what it does to the 1-inch pine board. All right, Mr. Patton with the Chicom 22 air gun, firing down at the 60 yard. Which one will be the one you're firing on? The right? Let me get. All right, fire one ready. It sounds like a hit. So it took a little time to get there. May not be quite 60, 50 yards maybe, whatever. Anyway, this will be your engagement distance, hopefully, if we can get one out this far. So, pretty not too far off center. Left-handed trigger pull.
Didn't go all the way through.
Did not?
Nope.
No penetration, but it's very deep in that board, so at least be good for some harassing fire, huh?
Yeah, I'd like it. I mean,
all right.
That's all I can do.
All right, Mr. Patton again on the this time the Ottoman Empire Hatsan Striker, firing on the, say again, left board. Zoom in and a hit. Let's do our quick walk. Yes, Mr. Patton has been firing and training for war since an infant. So he's not surprised that we may one day have to fight Russian army, Korean troops, whatever. Insert your shit there.
That's what I was aiming.
And we have our hit.
Did not penetrate.
And like, you know, expected. Did not go all the way through the 1-inch pine board at that distance, but I can tell you that's probably like 2 skulls. You know, we're not talking about going all the way through a skull when we say go through a Russian's head. But as long as it goes in there, he's going to be incapacitated, I believe. I do believe. So, Mr. Patton will hold the rifle up. We will call this the Victor, and we believe the Hatsan is a superior platform if you are on your budget. Thanks for watching. Backyard Defense Network.